members, Honorable Chair. My name is Golova Rwanga.
Ebyabigambo bya bari mu kakiiko k'ishengyera ka Public Accounts Committee okushobora hanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe zatirwa mu kihandiiko kya Auditor General eky'omwaka gw'2022 ngo gavumenti neshaba sente nyingi kukireze ziri kuba nizetengesa ekintu ekibari kugira ngo nikireetera amabanja ga gavumenti okuguma nigeyongera.
The question is, why do you give a country a budget that has continued to be 52 and raising, when in no single year on planet Earth have you even exceeded 45 trillion in expenditure?
Beitu nabwanyuma mu kugarukamu omuhandiki mukuru w'ekitongole ky'ebyesente nagira ngo enshonga ezimwe nizireetwa abanyabutegeki abarukukora embalirreegi otiremu n'ebintu bigwerereza nk'entaro na COVID-19.
There are shocks which have affected us. Media, you plan the budget, Ebola. You plan the budget, there is this war. Then it changes all the fundamentals. And it's only actually that in Uganda we have this flexibility of a cash budget, that we are able to keep our fundamentals afloat. Otherwise we would be in trouble.
Ripota y'omubazi mukuru wa gavumenti ekoreka ngo ekitongole ky'ebyesente kikahinguza embalirira ya trillion 5.2 bitu trillion 8.9 nizo zabiire zirebekere bitu nabwanyuma sente zarugiro mu mishoro zikaba ziri trillion 8.3 ekyareetire gavumenti yazo mu mabanja ga trillion 5.8.
Our PSST should take note, because you see, you have warranted money, let's say, to a district. So in other words, you have told them this is your limit within which to spend. They, on that basis, start to commit, and sometimes they start the procurement processes, I believe, based on that. At the end of the day, isn't this a line of, for example, creating domestic areas that we would be avoiding? Because at the end of the day, if they have committed and then they have not realized the money that you told them that we shall give you, and yet they have committed through some procurement processes, aren't you creating domestic areas indirectly?
Please allow the people who have the research, who have the ability to analyze numbers, and give them to you as policy makers to inform the budget. And when we seek concurrence with the policy makers, please give us that support to implement a budget which is practical, to implement a budget which is going to deliver what we intend.
A bit. You accept that here now I'm a boss also.
I know.
Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.